Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Flowzone is probably one of the most sought-after products in its category right now, and for good reason, as it offers a unique blend of innovative features and user-friendly design that sets it apart from the competition, making it an exciting prospect for anyone looking to upgrade their current setup or dive into this product space for the first time. Number 5. FOLAI Waterproof Replacement Shoulder Strap. Introducing a replacement shoulder strap designed for your bag. It's crafted from waterproof material, ensuring durability in any weather. This strap features an adjustable belt, allowing you to customize the fit for maximum comfort. Achieve the perfect length for your needs. Ideal for shoulder bags and backpacks, it offers a versatile solution for carrying your essentials. Enjoy convenience and functionality. Designed to be a reliable replacement, it provides a secure fit for your bag. Trust it to keep your belongings safe and sound. Comes in a classic black color, complementing any bag style. It's a practical and stylish addition to your accessories. What we like. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to carry your existing bag or backpack more comfortably, this replacement strap is a great option. It's designed for ease of use and durability. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit for your gear, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Flowzone is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. Its intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to navigate, even for beginners. The customizable dashboards allow you to tailor the interface to your specific needs, putting all the essential information right at your fingertips. One of the standout features of the Flowzone is its powerful automation capabilities. You can set up custom rules and triggers to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and reducing the risk of human error. The integration with other popular tools is seamless, allowing you to connect your existing systems and create a unified workflow. The reporting and analytics features are top-notch. Flowzone provides in-depth insights into your performance, helping you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. The visual dashboards make it easy to understand complex data at a glance, and the customizable reports can be generated in various formats. Number 4. PetraTools HD 3000 Battery-Powered Backpack Sprayer. Tired of manual pumping? This powerful sprayer runs for up to 2.5 hours on a single charge, covering over 50 gallons. Adjust the pressure from 40 to 80 psi for precise application on lawns, gardens, or larger properties. Designed for your comfort during long jobs, it features double-padded straps and a back pad. This reduces fatigue, making yard work and landscaping more enjoyable. This 3-gallon sprayer is ideal for applying fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides. It's the perfect tool for maintaining your lawn, controlling weeds, and handling any garden task. With 6 included nozzle attachments, you can easily customize your spray pattern. Achieve consistent and accurate results, whether you're targeting specific weeds or covering large areas. As an American family-owned business, we offer excellent customer support. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, ensuring you receive top-quality performance every time you use it. What we like. For those with extensive lawns or gardens who dread the constant pumping, this sprayer is a game-changer. Its extended battery life means you can cover more ground without interruption. If you're looking for a comfortable, efficient solution for large-scale spraying tasks, this is the one to consider. What people say. Always reliable with steady pressure makes for fast work without waiting for psi to keep building. Easy to use with the turn of a knob that has very consistent pressure. The different wand attachments make it easy to use for different applications, depending on how much area you want to sprayer, and for spot spraying. Number 3. PetraTools HD 2000 S 2-gallon Battery Sprayer. Tired of endless pumping? This battery-powered sprayer delivers continuous, hassle-free spraying. It's perfect for home gardeners and DIYers who want effortless and efficient application every time. Get started right away with everything you need. It includes a rechargeable 12V battery and charger, providing a full 2-hour runtime on a single charge for even the biggest projects. Reach every corner of your lawn and garden with ease. Its comfortable design, including a padded shoulder strap and ergonomic handle, ensures maximum coverage while saving you time and energy. Achieve total control over your spray patterns. It comes with a brass adjustable nozzle for mist and stream, plus a fan tip nozzle, offering great versatility for any task. Built for durability and reliability, this sprayer features heavy-duty materials and leak-proof metal fittings. Say goodbye to messy leaks and enjoy a sprayer that works as hard as you do. What we like. If you're a home gardener or DIYer who wants a hassle-free spraying experience, this 2-gallon model is ideal. It eliminates the need for manual pumping and is designed for comfort during use. If you value convenience and a reliable, leak-free operation for your regular garden tasks, this sprayer is a perfect fit. What people say. The HD 2000 delivers a constant and uniform spray pressure which completely covers plant with little effort. No other sprayer I've used can boast the complete coverage the Petra can. High-quality components and ease of use are great. The rechargeable battery is more than up to the task of lengthy use, and delivers good pressure to the adjustable nozzle. Really appreciate the battery duration and the ease of not having to pump. In addition, one of my charge cables was accidentally damaged after just a few months of ownership. And Chloe with the PetraTools customer service did a great job of sending out a replacement charger under warranty. Number 2. PetraTools HD 4000 battery-powered backpack sprayer. Tired of constant pumping? Our battery-powered sprayer offers over 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It's designed for large jobs, providing hassle-free performance when you need it most. As an American family-owned business since 2019, we stand behind our durable products. You can count on our 24/7 USA support for complete customer satisfaction. Work comfortably for hours with our double-padded straps and back pad. Designed to reduce fatigue, it's perfect for professionals and homeowners alike. Achieve the perfect spray for any task, from delicate misting to powerful streams. With adjustable pressure and 6 versatile nozzles, you can easily switch between watering, fertilizing, or applying weed killer. This sprayer is built for durability and leak-free operation. The easy-fill wide mouth, translucent tank with gallon markers, and clog-preventing filter make maintenance simple. Experience 4x longer battery life compared to standard lithium batteries. Our 12V8AH battery powers through over 200 gallons per charge, ensuring it lasts as long as you do. What we like. This 4-gallon sprayer is built for those who tackle significant landscaping or farming projects. Its exceptionally long battery life and heavy-duty construction ensure it can handle demanding jobs. If you need a powerful, comfortable, and reliable sprayer for large areas and extended use, this is your best bet. What people say. This rechargeable battery-powered backpack sprayer has been an outstanding investment. It features a durable, well-built design and comes with multiple spray nozzles, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. The battery-powered system eliminates the need for constant pumping, and does it on its own, allowing for consistent pressure and a more powerful spray. With this sprayer, I can now complete most jobs in under 30 minutes. Number 1. Flowzone Typhoon 2V Sprayer. Meet the Flowzone Typhoon 2V, your ultimate solution for effortless spraying. This versatile tool is designed to handle all your needs with ease. Equipped with a robust 18V 5.2Ah lithium-ion battery, it provides long-lasting power for extended use. You can tackle large jobs without interruption. Experience precise application with its variable pressure control feature. Adjust the spray intensity to perfectly suit any task, from delicate misting to a powerful stream. With a generous 4-gallon tank, it minimizes refills, allowing you to work more efficiently. Spend less time refilling and more time getting the job done. This sprayer is designed for multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for various tasks. Its adaptability ensures you're always prepared. Enjoy a comfortable and efficient spraying experience thanks to its user-friendly design. It's built for convenience and performance. What we like. For users who need versatility and power in their spraying tasks, this 4-gallon model stands out. Its variable pressure settings allow for precise application across a range of needs, from delicate misting to a stronger stream. If you appreciate the convenience of a long-lasting battery and the flexibility to adapt your spray for different applications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was way faster and gives a lot of pressure. This thing is a workhorse, and we also found many other uses for a battery-powered sprayer. There is no other battery sprayer that can meet the pressure or battery life as this unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.